Okay, last camera review. I'll start moving on to the lenses after this, but I have a Nikon F3. See if you can see that. A fairly advanced film SLR camera. This one you can actually remove the viewfinder. Let's see. So it comes off, and there's the camera body, and you can see inside. As with most of the film cameras, I'm still in the process of shooting the first roll through it. So, does have an electronic shutter, and it does require 2 batteries, one for the light meter and another for the shutter control. So other than that, I have several lenses for this camera. Does have depth of field preview, like I said, built-in light meter, electronic shutter. Does have aperture priority mode, which is cool. This one has definitely seen better days. It's got lots of scuffs and marks. One thing I do like is this little square piece on the back. You can put the end from a film box in that, so you know what film you have loaded in the camera. It has a nice bright viewfinder. And it's very large and has a rubber texture around it, so I don't worry about scratching my glasses putting this camera up to my face. So anyway, that's about it. I show you the top so you can see the controls. Of course, there's lots of technical information available about this camera online that you can find. As I understand it, this is probably one of the better film SLRs ever made. Not fond of the dual battery situation, but you know, it is kind of what it is. But anyway, thanks and have a great day. Oh, follow up. I should start getting some of the film back next week, particularly the medium format film. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, I'll start covering lenses after this. So stay tuned for more. Thank you. Have a great day.